Do you feel bloated after meals? You're not alone. And the good news is, you don't have to suffer. Today, I'm sharing the 6 most common causes of bloating, backed by science and research, and how you can stop it fast. Ready to feel comfortable in your own body again? Let's dive in. Number 1. Overeating. Eating too much at once can overwhelm your stomach, leading to bloating as it struggles to digest a large amount of food. Solution: try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Eating slowly also helps reduce bloating by allowing your stomach to process food more efficiently. Fun fact: studies show that eating slowly can reduce bloating by up to 60%. This simple habit can make a huge difference in how you feel. Number 2. Food intolerances. Intolerances to food like dairy, gluten, or certain sugars can cause bloating and gas. Your body struggles to digest these, leading to discomfort and inflammation. Solution: if you suspect food intolerances, try an elimination diet or work with a healthcare professional to identify your triggers. According to the National Institute of Health, as many as 75% of people worldwide have some degree of lactose intolerance, which often lead to bloating and stomach discomfort. Number 3. Too much salt. Eating too much salt leads to water retention, which can make you feel bloated and uncomfortable. Solution: cut back on processed foods and aim to eat fresh fruits and vegetables. This can help balance out your sodium levels and reduce bloating. Quick tip: the CDC recommends keeping your daily sodium intake under 2,300 milligrams, about 1 teaspoon of salt. It's easier than you think to cut down when you choose whole foods. Number 4. Gas and air swallowing. Swallowing air, whether from eating too quickly, drinking fizzy drinks, or chewing gum, can contribute to bloating and gas buildup. Solution: slow down your eating. Sip water between meals and avoid carbonated beverages and chewing gum. Number 5. Digestive issues. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or constipation can cause bloating as your body has difficulty processing food properly. Solution: eat a fiber-rich diet, stay hydrated, and consider probiotics to improve gut health and reduce bloating. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that probiotics can reduce bloating by improving gut flora balance. So, try adding a probiotic supplement or probiotic-rich foods like yogurt to your daily routine. Number 6. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations, especially during menstruation or menopause, can lead to bloating due to changes in fluid retention and digestion. Solution: try reducing your intake of salty foods during these times, staying hydrated, and exercising to help reduce bloating. Fact: the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists report that nearly 80% of women experience bloating before or during their menstrual cycle. So, if you're dealing with this, you're definitely not alone. Now, before we wrap up, I have to share a quick joke from my daughter to lighten the mood a bit. Why do bananas never get lonely? Because they hang out in bunches. Give her a thumbs up for that one, guys. Now, back to the important stuff. These 6 causes of bloating might be behind that uncomfortable feeling, but don't worry. Each one can be managed with a few changes. By understanding the root causes, you can take control and feel your best every day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like these. And be sure to check out some of our other videos on digestive health, bloating remedies, and more. We've got big plans coming up, including giveaways and collaborations with awesome companies, so stay tuned. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.